Ever wondered how to brew the perfect cup of green tea? The secret lies in the details. The quality of tea leaves, the temperature of the water, and the steeping time. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in creating a cup of green tea that's brimming with flavor and aroma. Begin with sourcing high-quality green tea leaves. Whether it's sencha, matcha, or longjing, the quality of the leaves will significantly impact the taste of your brew. Look for leaves that are vibrant in color and have a fresh, grassy aroma. Next, bring fresh filtered water to a gentle boil. The ideal water temperature for brewing green tea is between 160 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Using water that's too hot can result in a bitter brew, so precision is crucial here. You can use a thermometer to measure the temperature, or if you don't have one, simply let the boiled water cool for about 2 minutes before using it. Now, it's time for steeping. Add 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves to your teapot or infuser. Pour the hot water over the leaves and allow them to steep. The steeping time varies depending on the type of green tea, but typically ranges from 1 to 3 minutes. Oversteeping can lead to a bitter taste, so it's better to err on the side of caution. While the tea is steeping, take a moment to appreciate the process. Notice how the leaves unfurl and the water slowly changes color. The art of brewing tea is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. When the steeping time is up, pour the tea into your cup. The color should be a delicate pale green, and the aroma should be fresh and inviting. Sip slowly, savoring each mouthful. To summarize, brewing the perfect cup of green tea involves selecting high-quality leaves, using water at the right temperature, and steeping for the correct amount of time. Avoid common mistakes such as using water that's too hot or steeping for too long. Remember, patience and precision are key in this process. So there you have it, the art of brewing the perfect cup of green tea. It's more than just a beverage, it's an experience, a moment of tranquility in the midst of a busy day. So go ahead, brew yourself a cup and savor the moment.